The new redesigned down dump trailer. This one here is a 7x12, 14,000 pound with 4-foot sides. They've modified where they did the ramps. The ramps now slide out the rear, and you got heavy duty braces there to sit them on. When we do the 4-foot sides, you get the barn door style gate. And this is your latch here for the ramp. Three hinge points on the gate. LED lights, you got the LED lights there on the side. Little light, but really bright. Spare tire mount. It's two 7,000 pound brake axles. Toolbox on the front. They all come with a 10,000 pound drop leg jack, 2 5/16 adjustable coupler. This one's got your battery and pump here in the front. Well, this one actually has an onboard battery charger added to it. Twin cylinder lift system. Got a tube and frame underneath it. Right there will be your max height. Again, this is a 7x12, 14,000 pound capacity with 4-foot sides. No more ramps on the fenders. Ramps are stored underneath. Gives it a lot cleaner look. You can see your ramps right there.